Hi, Kristen. So, three things I would suggest for your resume would be number one, make it a full page. It looks like you have a little bit of extra space at the bottom. So, there you could put, for my second recommendation, I would do some, trying to find some volunteer work because that's always nice to have. Um, And lastly, I would put some um, involvement or leadership experience in there and kind of broaden that a little bit. And overall, I think you have a really well set up resume. I also like that um, you also have your address at the top. That gives them an extra place to send your any information that they need to hand over to you. I also really like the opening where you have a small paragraph just about your general background. All right, thank you.